The video is for those who want to adjust the KTM's 125 European versions swing chain adjustment. This is for those. What you have to do, first put the bike on the ground, then loosen this nut, this bolt, this is 22 millimeter. You can use this to adjust, to loosen the bolt and tighten it later. And after you loosen the bolt, you lose this on both sides. You'll need number 14, and for this you need number 11. Okay, so after you loosen that bolt, big bolt, then you put it on the stand paddock, then loosen this bolt number 14, loosen both sides at the same time, and then tighten this one so it goes to this side, and there is a meter so you can see where it's going. So it was a bit back, now it's a bit forward now. So the millimeter for this chain you need to put on the middle and put it up, okay, to see the slack it has. I had too much slack, now I adjusted to 5 millimeter. If you have the stock chain cover, you will see 5 to 7 millimeters the chain slack. Then you tighten, after that you tighten this bolt, adjust it with the opposite side, then put the bike down from the paddock, then tighten this bolt to 98 newton meter of torque, then you're done.